Hi, I'm Apurva from ClearTax. Today I'm here to talk about gratuity and to let you know how easy it is to use our gratuity calculator. First of all, let us see what gratuity means. Gratuity refers to the money paid by the employer to their employees in return for their service towards the company. An employee qualifies for gratuity payment only after staying employed with the organization for 5 years or more. The gratuity payment is governed by the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. One of the 4 conditions must hold true for an employee to receive gratuity from the employer. That is, the employee must be eligible for superannuation, the employee must have retired, the employee must have resigned after serving for at least 5 years with the employer, or in the case of death or disability. You can calculate gratuity using the formula N into B into 15 divided by 26, where N is the tenure of service with the employer and B is the last drawn basic salary plus dearness allowance. There is an upper limit of ₹20 lakh for the payment of gratuity under the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. Any excess amount paid by the employer will be considered as ex-gratia. Another important aspect of receiving gratuity is the tax liability. Every employee who receives gratuity will be classified under one of the following categories for tax purposes. 1. Government employees. Gratuity amount received by government employees is tax exempt. 2. Employer covered under the Payment of Gratuity Act. In this case, the least of the following is tax exempt, that is 20 lakhs or the actual gratuity amount received, or 15 divided by 26 into the last drawn salary for each completed year of service. 3. Employer not covered under the Payment of Gratuity Act. In this case, the least of the following is tax exempt, that is 10 lakh or the actual gratuity amount received, or half month salary for each completed year of service. Calculate your possible gratuity with ease using ClearTax's gratuity calculator. Just click on the link given in the description below and land onto the ClearTax's page. Once you land onto ClearTax's gratuity calculator page, just enter the salary in terms of basic pay plus dearness allowance and the tenure of service to know your possible gratuity amount. How simple is that, right? Please like and share our videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our ClearTax channel. Do click the bell button to get notifications. Thank you.